So I've been testing Pollo AI's new AI agent feature, and honestly, it kind of blew my mind. This isn't just another AI video generator where you type in a prompt and then hope for the best. This is a full-on AI agent that can take a viral TikTok, break it down scene by scene, and then recreate it with your own characters and styles, but it doesn't stop there. It could create influencer marketing content, story videos, music videos, and more. And the craziest part, for most of the projects, you don't even need to write a single prompt. You just paste in a link, give it a couple directions, and the agent handles the rest. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So on that note, let's get started. Alright, so let's kick things off with the clone viral video feature, because this is where the Pollo agent really shines. And real quick, if you haven't done so already, be sure to sign up for a Pollo AI account. You can get started for free by visiting the link in the video description below or the pinned comment, and you can try Pollo AI for free before buying. But please know, I'm going to be using the Pro plan in this video, so I'll have access to all the features and more credits than if you're using the free plan, but know that you could still test everything out for free before buying. So the idea here is simple. You find a TikTok or YouTube short that's already gone viral, you paste the link, and the agent reverse engineers the entire thing. It analyzes the hook, the pacing, the scene structure, all of it. And then it recreates the video using whatever character or style you want. And for this example, I found a viral TikTok video of a dancing monkey. The video has 5.3 million likes and 90,000 comments, so it's clearly doing something right. And all I do is just grab the link and then come back to the Pollo agent and paste it right into the text field. Then we hit send, and watch what happens. The agent opens up a new chat, and this could take a few seconds, so just sit tight really quick while it does its thing. But once it starts processing, you'll be able to monitor the progress and chat with the AI agent right here. And you can see that it says viral video creator at the top, so it immediately starts fetching the video from that TikTok, and you can actually see the tool calling process happening in real time. It's crawling the video and pulling in all the data. Then once it's done, it gives me a full breakdown. So it found the video, confirmed the 5.3 million likes and the 90K comments, pulled the hashtags, noted that it's about 13 seconds long, and then it asked me a few quick questions. Is this for vertical or horizontal? How long do I want it? And what's my spin on it? Do I want to keep it similar, swap the character, or change the topic? Now, this is what makes it feel like you're working with an actual editor, not just a tool. It's having a conversation with you. It remembers context and adjusts based on your answers. So for this example, I'm going to tell it it's for TikTok, keep it short, keep it similar. And then here's the cool part. If I click the plus button there in the bottom left corner and select upload media or file, I can attach a screenshot of the character that I want to use to star in the video. And again, for the sake of this example, I'm using a screenshot of the same character, but this is where you could get creative and swap out the character so you don't have a dancing monkey. You can have a dancing remote control car, a dancing butterfly. I mean, anything. The possibilities are endless. Okay, then after I've entered my reply and added the reference image, we'll send this through to the chat. And the agent gets to work and starts analyzing the image and our reply. Now, this took about 40 seconds, so I'm going to be fast forwarding here and there just for the sake of time. But once it's done, our AI agent lays out a plan. Step 1, analyze the original viral video and break it down scene by scene. Step 2, rewrite the script with my character swapped in. Step 3, generate a 12-second TikTok vertical video with the character as the star. And then it looks like our AI agent is asking for permission to go ahead, which is great. So I'm going to say, go ahead and continue. And first it starts analyzing the viral video scenes. And this took about 20 to 30 seconds. Then when that was finished, it rewrites those scenes to match my character, and it actually shows me a storyboard style label breaking down each shot. And it has the duration, the full script description for each scene. Shot 1 looks like it's 8 seconds, shot 2 is 4 seconds, and each one has incredibly detailed descriptions of camera angles, lighting, movement, textures, all of it. And I didn't write any of that. The agent generated all of those detailed prompts on its own. That's a huge deal because normally you'd have to spend a ton of time crafting those prompts yourself to get quality results. Here, the agent just does it for us. All right, then it looks like it's asking if I'm happy with the script or if I want to tweak anything. I think it looks good, so we'll go ahead and say that and send that through. And this sends everything into production. And then you could see here that our agent is working hard and our video is in the queue. The little monkey is about to become a TikTok star. And while the AI agent is working, it's even asking us if we want to spin up different variants of this video. For this example, I'm just going to stick with this one and see how it turns out. Now, because this was a video, it took about 10 minutes for it to fully process. I'm not going to make you sit here for 10 minutes waiting for the video, so let's fast forward really quick to the end result. And check that out. We have our storyboard of the dancing monkey followed by the generated video. And you could preview it by hovering your mouse over that little preview in the chat. And you could download it here as well. And if you want to get a better look at it, go ahead and click on it. And that'll open up the asset gallery on the right-hand side of the screen where you could, again, view it and download the media if you want. Now, one thing I want to point out is that there was audio included on this video, but for copyright purposes, I'm not going to play that audio. But just keep that in mind that it does regenerate the audio and video. And I got to say, the results are great. This is a hilarious video, and this just opens the door in terms of what you can create with Pollo AI's new AI agents. All right, next up, let's look at the product video generator. And I actually want to show you that you could access the AI agent from more than one place. Right now, I'm on the Pollo AI homepage, and you could see across the top there are 3 tabs: AI Video, AI Image, and AI Agent. But you'll also notice down here on the main page, there are quick launch buttons for clone viral video, music video, story video, and more. And for this example, we'll click the second option there. This will let us create an influencer-style vertical video, great for social media and mobile devices. And that takes me straight into the AI Agent tab. Again, you could see along the bottom there, it's defaulting to the 9:16 vertical, 30 seconds, general platform, and English. Those are all adjustable settings, but for now, I'm keeping the defaults exactly as is. Now, here's where it gets really cool. I'm going to head over to Amazon and find a product. And for this example, I'm using the Sony WH-CH520 wireless headphones. And all I need to do here is just copy the product link. So click this little button here. And then from the pop-up menu, select Copy Link. And once that link is copied, we'll head back to Pollo AI and then paste that Amazon link right into the text field. And again, I'm keeping all the other settings as is, and then we'll send that off to our AI agent. And it gets to work immediately analyzing our request. And this takes a couple seconds to generate. And then it'll let us know that it received the Amazon product link, and then will present us with a quick parameter from where I can adjust the aspect ratio, video length, the platform used, and language. And this is really cool that you have so much control over the collaboration and the final output. But like I said, for this example and for the sake of time, I'm just going to leave everything as is, and we'll just confirm that everything looks great and click the confirm and continue button. And in a few moments, we'll get a message from our AI video agent. Looks like stating that the user has confirmed the parameters via the form, and now it will proceed to stage 3 and create metadata using the product link provided. And this took about a minute or two, so again, for the sake of time, I'm going to fast forward through it while it's generating. And then once it's done, you'll see a button there to adjust and confirm the product info. Go ahead and click on that. And this is where it gets really impressive, in my opinion. A product info panel opens up on the right side of the screen, and it's already pulled in the product title, a detailed product description, and then here's the best part, a massive grid of product assets. It scraped all the photos and videos directly from the Amazon listing, product shots, lifestyle images, and you could select or deselect whichever assets that you want to include. You can add your own or just leave them all checked. Then once you're good with all the selections, go ahead and click the continue and confirm button. And we get a notification from our AI agent that we have confirmed the product info, and now it's updating the metadata with all the content from the product URL and generating our video scripts. So again, we'll give it a few moments to process. Again, this took about 20 to 30 seconds to finish. And check that out. It doesn't just give me one option. It generates 5 completely different scripts, each with a different angle. There's a problem solution script, an emotional angle, motivational take, storytime version, and a let me show you style. And each one reads like a piece of content that you've seen on social media. And all you have to do is pick the one that you like best and tell it to generate. And for this example, I'm just going to type 3 and send that through. And think about what just happened. I pasted a single Amazon link, confirmed a few settings, and the agent pulled all the product info, grabbed every available asset, and wrote 5 different scripts. No copywriting, no product research, no downloading images manually. The Pollo AI agent handled all of it. And once again, as it's generating the previews, I'm going to fast forward for the sake of time, but this only took about 30 to 40 seconds to finish. And then once they're ready, it gives us a select preview videos button, so go ahead and click that. And a panel opens up on the right with a grid of the preview clips to choose from. And there are a lot of options here. Each one has a different visual style and hook. And there's an emotional version, a response bubble style, product focused one, etc. And you can click on each one to preview them. So let's take a look at this one.
Hack your daily grind in 2025. That's why with the Sony WH-CH520 headphones, you can power up your productivity from the moment you step out.
And that's a really good result. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that the accurate lip sync will be applied to the final video. So as you're listening to the results here and you're noticing that the lips aren't syncing up, that's because that will be applied in the final video, just FYI. But these previews still give you a good idea of what it's going to look like at the end. And then once you find one, go ahead and click the checkbox to select it. And then at the bottom, there's a button that says Start Generating Full Video. Go ahead and click that, and that will confirm the selection, and the AI agent will start rendering the final version. And I know I keep saying this, but I just want to be transparent as possible when it comes to how much time it takes to generate the results. Because I know whenever you're watching these videos and you get the results like ASAP, but then whenever you actually start using the tool and it takes a little longer than what you saw in the video, that's why I'm telling you this. So it took a couple minutes for this video to generate, probably about 5 minutes. But while you're doing that, you could go work on something else. So instead of waiting for this to finish, you can click New Chat and go right back to the dashboard and start another project, adjust a previous one, or explore different ideas, all while this current piece of content generates in the background. Multitasking with Pollo AI is one of my favorite features. Either way, just wanted to be transparent as possible when it comes to how much time it takes to generate these videos. But once it's done, you'll see the preview here in the feed, and just like before, we could click on it and we can get a much larger result in the asset library panel on the right, where you could preview and download it. So let's check it out.
Did you stop by your favorite audio spot today? Something big is happening right now. If you're seeking a serious upgrade to your listening experience, the Sony WH-CH520 headphones deliver unmatched sound and style. Commuting or creating, the 50-hour battery life and ridiculous comfort are my secret weapons. These headphones keep up with my longest days, and the sound quality lifts my mood every time. Experience the same uplift. Buy now and feel what's possible when you have the right support on your journey.
Now, we only created one video, but you could obviously keep experimenting with this, try different products, try different types of avatars, try different music, keep tweaking it with the chat, and so on. There's a lot of possibilities here. And what's really crazy is that we created this from a single Amazon link. No camera, no actor, no script writing, no editing. That's the power of Pollo AI's video agent. All right, next I want to show you how to create a music video. Yes, you can create a custom music video with a simple text prompt. So from the AI Video Agent dashboard, click on where it says Music Video. And then for this prompt, I'm just going to say EDM Music Video in the Forest. That's it, 6 words, and we'll send that through. And the Creative Creator Agent immediately runs with it. It describes the vision back to me, a pulsing EDM banger set deep in a neon-lit forest, strobe lights piercing through towering trees, bass drops synced with flashing bioluminescent glows, electric energy meets raw nature. All from that 6-word prompt. No prompt engineering needed. The agent turned a vague idea into a detailed professional-grade creative brief, basically, on its own. And it's queued up the music video and even asks if I want to start a variation while this one renders. Maybe like a festival crowd version or a different color palette. A lot of creative possibilities here. And just like our previous projects in Pollo AI, this took a couple minutes to generate, about 5, but for the sake of time, let me fast forward really quick. And once the video is done, it will show up in the feed, and let's click on it and check it out.
Awaken, ancient pulses, spinning in the deep. Neon roots cut through the soil. Every heart begins to beat. Breathe with the circuit, feel the earth vibrate. At this moment, unleash your soul in the heart of the cyber jungle. Pulse forever.
Now this one I was a lot more happy with the final result. It did stick to the prompt a little bit better, but overall, really good results. And the fact that we did this by chatting with an AI agent, it's pretty unreal. Now before I wrap up, I want to quickly highlight a few things that make the Pollo AI agent feature stand out from every other AI video tool that I've tested in the past. So first, this is a true AI agent. It's not a form that you fill out or a prompt box where you cross your fingers and hope for the best. You have a conversation with it. It asks clarifying questions, it remembers your inputs, and adjusts based on your feedback. Feels like you're collaborating with an actual editor. Second, you don't need any prompt engineering skills. You saw how detailed those scene descriptions were from the viral video and how the music video agent turned 6 words into a full creative brief. The agent handles all of that automatically. That's a massive barrier removed for anyone who's not super technical. Third, Pollo has integrated some of the best AI models available right now, including Sora 2, Veo 3.1, and Wan 2.6, with support for up to 4K resolution. So you're getting commercial grade style video quality from one single platform and one subscription. You don't need to jump between different tools or manage multiple accounts. And as you just saw, the async workflow means you're never sitting around waiting. You can have multiple projects generating at the same time, and you could bounce between them freely, all within Pollo. So that's the Pollo AI agent, and I'll have a link in the video description below where you could try it out for yourself. But let me know in the comments which type of project you're going to create with Pollo AI's agents. I'm curious to see what you guys come up with. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these 2 videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.